Let's try this camera, see how it turns out. So we gotta put these back on. Probably should have done that before I put the cover on, but there is a peg here, and then this needs to sit over that. So we need to pull that through. Whoops. Maybe that is the wrong side. Yep. And this is not going to cooperate. There we go. And then this screw goes back in here. It's either a 7 or an 8 millimeter. It's 8. Let's see, and there is a plastic cover for it. That's the wrong side. Where is the other one? Here's the cover. Let me clean it real quick. That one is done. Now we just need to do the other side. And then we'll put the recline motor back on the base frame. Oh, come on. There it goes. Done. There's the motor. This is what the cables clip into. And the motor attaches. First, to put this one in, and then this one. Then retaining plate, see it clips in right here, and here holds those cables. I can pop it in there. So I got it on upside down. Ah, crap. And make sure the holes line up for the motor base. Right there. Okay, now, just like that. 2 screws come in from the top. through the plastic and into the motor base. Oh, I feel like it's cross-threaded. All right. Now we can put the cushion back on. I wrapped. The sheath here is broken. I just wrapped it with electrical tape. I think I may zip tie that up. It should be up here. Just not sure what I can. No, I guess I can zip tie it to the main hoop there. We don't want the main part of the spring just into it. Otherwise it could end up pinching and chewing through the zip tie. That's good enough. Let me reposition the camera and we'll start putting the cushion and the bottom cover on.